All right, so Etsy just made a pretty big change to the ads platform. If you do Etsy ads or you're thinking about doing Etsy ads, this is something that you absolutely need to know about. And I think a lot of people are going to hate this. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. But if you go into your ads dashboard, they are now, they added this your ads strategy part. Now, the bad thing about this is you cannot do this. You cannot select any of these three buckets unless you're spending $25 or more on ads. So if you spend less than that, you're basically just going to be the balance strategy, this middle one, and that's what it automatically defaults to. So if you do spend more than $25, you have these strategies. All right, so the first strategy is increasing your orders. So with this strategy, you're going to get more orders, but you're also going to spend more, or basically your return on ad spend is going to be higher. It's confusing how they have this laid out, but just know if you do increase your orders, spending more, but also getting more orders. The balance one, this is the one that you're automatically defaulted to, especially if you have less than $25 ad spend. So they're just going to try to do a balance of orders and return on ad spend. So it's going to be trying to balance it out. One's not going to be higher than the other. And then the last one is increasing your return. So basically, they're going to give you less. Your return on ad spend is going to be lower, meaning you're spending less money, but you're also going to be getting less orders. So this one, they're going to be a little bit more strategic with how much they are spending. You're only going to be shown to the most relevant buyers, the people that have the highest opportunity of buying from you. But in return, you're going to get less orders, but you're also going to be spending less. So that's really it. Those are the three buckets. We don't really have a lot of control. I know people want more control with their ads, and you used to have it. You used to be able to control how much you were spending per click, all these things. They took a lot of that away. So I think they're trying to give some of it back and trying to also make it easier and not as complicated for people to basically be strategic with their ads. But I don't know if this makes a lot of sense. In terms of how they have it, and with having to spend $25. I understand why they have it like that, because if you're not spending enough money, they're not going to be able to test these strategies with any type of relevance, right? There's just not enough money. They're not going to be able to show it to enough people to actually make a strategy work. So that's why they have a minimum cost, but I know people don't like that because they don't want to have to spend up to $25 a day. That is expensive. That's extremely expensive. That's hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month for ads to be able to try one of these strategies. So the other thing to consider too is, should you even be doing ads? This is a test. It's in beta. Not everyone may have it. I would just consider maybe not even messing with this, and definitely not, if you're not spending $25 already, don't ramp up your budget to try and test one of these strategies. That's a quick way to lose a lot of money. I would give it time, let this kind of settle out and see how it works before you decide to put all your eggs in this basket and spend a lot of money trying to mess with one of these strategies. And again, if you're a newer shop and you're not getting organic sales, you shouldn't be doing ads anyways because you're not ready yet. It's telling you, if you can't get sales organically, you shouldn't be spending money on ads. It's just going to amplify what you're already doing. And if you're not getting organic sales, that means something's wrong with your listings, right? You're not doing something right. Your SEO is wrong, your pictures, any number of things. So it's just going to amplify that. And then you're going to be spending a lot of money and still not getting sales. And it's going to hurt even more. So I don't want you to have to go through that pain. So that's the biggest change here in case you guys see that. Just be careful with it. And if you need more help, you need more strategies, growing your Etsy business, pop over to the Etsy Games VIP program. There's a link below. It's a lot of fun. We have live group coaching calls. There's courses in here showing you everything that I've done to grow my shop, my main shop over $500,000. I do your SEO for you. I help you come up with new trends that are selling. There's a lot of things in here. It's a positive, safe place to come hang out, not a weird, spammy Facebook group. And right now it's a free trial, then $10 a month, not hundreds or thousands of dollars like other programs out there. And there's just as much value, if not more value in this program. So hop over there, join us. If not, no big deal. No worries. It's not that serious. But if you want help, I'd love to help you. If you want motivation, I'd love to motivate you and get you going in the right direction. Other than that, that's the latest changes. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.